In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install LibreWolf on Windows. First, open your current web browser and search for LibreWolf. Open the official LibreWolf website at librewolf.net. Once you're on the website, click on Installation. On the next page, select your operating system. In this example, I'm choosing Windows. Now click Download LibreWolf. You can see in the top right corner of the browser that the download has started. When the download is finished, open the installer. On the welcome screen, click Next. The next screen gives you the option to schedule automatic updates. You can enable that now or set it up later. Either way, click Next to continue. Now choose your destination folder or leave the default location selected, then click Install. The installation only takes a few seconds. When it's complete, you can choose whether to create a desktop shortcut. Click Finish to close the installer. If you created the shortcut, simply double-click it to launch LibreWolf and start browsing. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more LibreWolf guides.